friends, welcome back to our report. Today I have the new topic, laws of refraction. Now let's start with the first law. The incident ray, refracted ray and the normal all lie on the same plane. Like if this is the interface of two media. Like if here is air and this medium is glass. If this is an incident ray, so this becomes the normal. So this becomes the refracted ray. So we can see these all lie on the same plane. Okay, now what do I mean with the same plane? Like for example this book. You can see this book cover. This is a 2D plane. Because plane is a 2D surface which has two dimensions. Like if I draw a line, suppose from here, like I draw a line from here to here. Now this line will remain on this page until I tear this page or I fold this page. So this was an example of 2D. This was an example of plane. Now we can take another example of my bed sheet. Here the princess drawn here is not coming out. It's not coming out of the bed sheet. So this is also a two-dimensional surface. Now this was the first law. Now coming to the second law. The second law is the sine of angle of incidence upon sine of angle of refraction results in a constant, and that constant is the refractive index of a pair of media. So, like if we say, if N1 is the refractive index of medium 1 and N2 is the refractive index of medium 2. If I say N1 sin theta 1 is equal to N2 sin theta 2. So this is only the Snell's law which was given by Sir Snellius. Now if I write N1 by N2 is equal to sin theta 2 upon sin theta 1. Now I am saying that N1 is the refractive index of medium 1. So refractive index is ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium 1. So C upon V1. So if I write N1 as C upon V1 and I write N2 as C upon V2, then C and C will get cancelled out because they have the same value of 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. So this was actually the Snell's law. This one, or we can say V1 by V2 is sin theta 2 upon sin theta 1. So this law tells us about the amount of bending of light. This law also gives the relationship between the angle of incidence, angle of refraction and the refractive index. The refractive index of a pair of media is different for each color of incident light. Like the refractive index for a medium, if the violet light is incident on it, is more than the refractive index of a medium for other colors. Also please note that if a light ray is incident perpendicular to the interface of two media, then the light will not deviate. It will continue in a straight path, but its velocity will change because different mediums have different density. So that was all for today's video. Keep liking, keep subscribing and keep suggesting how can I make the video better. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.